Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 94 providing visual feedback using loading element ID Ajax option. So let's start in this session providing visual feedback using Ajax element. Before watching this video, please watch my previous parts 91, 92 and 93. In part 93 I was explain about what is Ajax and why should we use it. Okay, one problem with partial page is that they do not provide any visual feedback. If the request is taking a long time to process with full page postbacks, we don't have this problem because the entire page is posted to the server and hence the user knows something is happening. For example, let's say a request in our Ajax enabled application takes 10 seconds to complete when the user clicks the button, and if we don't provide him with any visual feedback that the request is being processed, the user may think that the website is not working and he may click the button again. So it is very important that we provide some visual feedback. To provide visual feedback to the user loading element ID Ajax option for animated spinner, we need GIF image. Okay, so download GIF image from the Google. Okay, and load it here so that one can know, a client can know the process is continuous. Okay, now in our application I will provide some time for the processing using system threading thread sleep for 4000 means 4 millisecond. Okay, so let's flip to the Visual Studio and I will give it the time for the processing. Let's go to the student controller and we'll provide here the time using system dot thread threading dot thread dot sleep for 4000 millisecond. It means 4 second, right? Same like that for all the partial views we will provide this processing time. Okay, so that the process will take 4 milliseconds to complete. Let's run it and check it. Here when I click on this all button, it will take 4 seconds to process, right, and display the page. That's like bottom 3 also takes 3 seconds, 4 seconds to process and display the image. Same like this top 3 also take some time. But how user will know that processing is continuous? Okay, something may be happened here. I will put here the GIF image so that one can know the processing is continuous. Okay, so the user or client cannot be click on button again. Okay, so let's, for that I will add the GIF image. I have already downloaded the GIF image and added here this loading.gif. Okay, and I will use that inside of this page. So let's use this index page and add here that. So here in this div student the page is displayed, and before this page on above the page I will display the image. For that I will add div tag div id equal to give div loading id. Okay, and add here inside of this the image img src equal to my image is inside of the image folder, so images, and we'll add loading.gif. Okay, so let's do this. And when the process start, that time it will when the page is displayed, that time it display none. So I want to display it none when the page is displayed. So display none, right, like this. I have added here this, and display none style equal to display none. We will add style at the time of the process. After the processing, the display don't need, so display none. Control X and add it here. Okay, so this one, my this GIF image is completed here. I have loading this here, but now to load into the before the page, you must have to show using the loading element. So loading element ID equal to, give the ID of that GIF image. The ID of this GIF image is this one, div loading. So I will add here div loading, right? Same like that for other pages, other partial views, I will add this same. Okay, so that all the partial view pages will be display this image at the time of processing. Presently I have given 4 seconds for all the pages using this system threading thread sleep 4000 millisecond. Okay, so let's display the page or run the page, refresh the page, and you can see here my GIF image is displayed here. After 4 second completes, it will display this all page, right? For top 3 also it takes 4 seconds to complete the process and display the page. Bottom 3 takes 4 seconds and display the bottom page, right? So this loading element ID is useful to explain the client that the process is continuous, right? So you need this div for image element, and you will display within loading element ID using the ID of that GIF image, and you require to give some time for the processing using system threading thread sleep photo. Okay, so these types you can achieve this visual effect for Ajax element, okay, or Ajax options. So listening, thank you for listening this video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you. Have a great day.